In this video, I'll show you how to send voice message in Telegram. Ensure you subscribe and turn on bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Telegram. Let's say I want to send KDTV voice message. Now, what I'm gonna do, you can see this microphone icon, right? Click on it. A voice would start recording automatically, right? So you can see this recording, and if I stop talking, you can see this would reduce. Hello, hello, hello. So I can just click on the send, and I'm gonna send this voice message to him. So it's a 17 seconds voice message, right? So it's pretty easy to do this. It's pretty easy. If you want to do the helpful, share that below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'm gonna see you all in the very next one.